Hello, my sweeties and champs. How are you all? My dear kids, your Shomali ma'am is back again in front of you. Hope you all are fine. So, I am missing you a lot. Do you? See, in this critical situation, everybody should be at home as much as possible. We should not move out, and let's pray to the God that everyone be safe and fine. My dear kids, you should listen to your parents because they are just after the God. Whatever they say, it's all God's version being told to us. So, my dear kids, you should always listen to your parents. And now, before I start my class, I know you are getting bored a lot at home, sitting all the time at home. You can't go out, move out and play as you were doing previously. So, being at home, you should indulge yourself in some other activities apart from studies. See, now our online classes have started and we have to carry on the classes. You can't come to school, and even we can't come to school and teach you. So, this is the only media where we are getting in touch with you. Today's class is a recapitulation session where I will give a practice session and revise what we have done in the properties of addition. My dear kids, let me first recap the first property again. The first property states, when we add the numbers in any order, the sum remains the same. This you have already done in your notebook. So I have just repeated so that you can remember it easily and proceed with the exercise portion. Now in front of you, you can see that I have set some examples which is already being done in the slide. The first example is 5 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus dash. That means if we add the number 5 plus 4, that is equal to 4 plus 5. The next example, number B, is 3 plus 9 is equal to 9 plus 3. Now see, in the box B, in the equation B, the box is at the front. I mean, there is a box at the beginning, and that fill in the box plus 9 is given as 9 plus 3. So, what you have to fill in the box? You have to write the number 3. So, that fill in can be anywhere in the question. What you have to do is that you have to look into the question carefully. आपको अच्छे से क्वेश्चन को देखना है और फिर समझ के जो नंबर नहीं लिखा है, whatever the number is not written in the question, you have to fill that number. See, it's very easy. बहुत आसान है, आपको बस ध्यान से देखना है. You have to look into the question carefully. In the question C, you can see the question given is 7 plus 6 is equal to dash plus 7. So, what will you write in the box? See, in the question 7 plus 6 is given. 7 is already there in the other side. So, you have to write number 6 in the answer. Did you get my point? Did I make you understand? आपको समझ में आया? Okay, very good. Now, let's come to the practice session. This you have to do by your own. ये आपको खुद करना है. मम्मी पापा की हेल्प नहीं लेनी है. And I know you can do it very easily and by yourself. ठीक है? So let's start. The first question is 6 plus dash is equal to 4 plus 6. So you know the answer. So do it your own. Okay? Now come to question number B. Dash plus 5 is equal, dash plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 5. So, what will you write in the box? I know you know the answer. I will not tell you the answer. Ma'am आपको answer नहीं बताएगी. You have to do your own. Okay? Isn't it interesting? Okay. Now come to the C part. 8 plus 7 is equal to 7 plus dash. So you can write. Okay, very good children. Now come to question number D. See, in question number D is dash plus 8 is equal to 8 plus 6. So what you have to write in that dash? You know, children? So these questions you have to write it in the notebook and you have to practice again and again, okay? Now come to question number E. 5 plus 6 is equal to 6 plus dash. So in the dash, what you have to fill? See the question carefully, think and then write. Okay, children? Now, question number F is 2 plus dash is equal to 3 plus 2. So, 3 plus 2 is there on the other side and you have 2 on the other side. So, I know you have to write what? Do you know what you have to write? So, okay, go to the question carefully, read it again and then you write the answer. Very good, children. You have to do it by yourself and I know you will do it by yourself. This slide, we again have properties of addition with example 2. But if you see the slide carefully, you can see that here I've written 2 digits addition. Okay? In the previous slide, I showed you examples with only 1 digit. That means one digit was added. But here you see we have 2 digits addition. So, in the 2 digits addition, the same process you will follow as you have done in the earlier slide or in the earlier practice exercise. Okay? So here in the first example, I have written 15 plus 10 is equal to 10 plus 15. So you see 15 plus 10 is given on the other side and on this side 10 plus dash is given. So I have written 15 there as answer. That means in any order we add up the numbers, the answer is same. If you add 15 plus 10, whatever is the answer, it is the same answer if you add 10 plus 15. Okay, children? Did you understand? Okay, now come to question number B of the example 2. You have 13, see a blank box is given and I have written 13. So 13 plus 11 is equal to 11 plus 13. So even if the box is at the front, you have to see the question, which number is missing in the question and that you have to write. Okay? Among the 2 numbers, whichever number is missing, 2 नंबर में से जो नंबर आपको नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है या फिर ब्लैंक बॉक्स में लिखा गया है, उसका मतलब वो नंबर आपके क्वेश्चन में नहीं दिया रहेगा, वो आपको ढूंढ के या फिर समझकर लिखना है. ओके? नाउ सी इन क्वेश्चन नंबर सी, यू हैव 20 प्लस डैश इज इक्वल टू 12 प्लस 20. So you see 20 plus 12 is equal to 12 plus 20. So then in this way I have shown the examples with 2 digit. You understand? This is the example on the properties of addition with 2 digit. Now based on this example, I will be giving you a practice session 2, which will be of 2 digit. Now see in this slide, in the practice session 2, you have to do the questions with 2 digits. That means addition of 2 digit number. So in the first question, you see what I have written in the question. 18 plus dash is equal to 21 plus 18. So see here, 18 is given, plus a blank box is given, and on the other side you have 2 numbers added together. What are the 2 numbers? 21 plus 18. So I know what you will write. So you have to write the correct answer. Okay, my children? Now in question number B, you see I've written 33 plus 12. It's given. How many digits are there? 2 digit addition. See, 2 digits have been added here. 33 plus 12. So in the answer, a box is given which is blank, where you have to write the answer plus 33. So what you will write? You know the answer? Yes. So we'll do accordingly. Now in question number C, a blank box is given at the front. आपको सबसे पहले एक blank box दे दिया गया है, plus 63 and equal to 63 plus 25 is given. So in the blank box, you will do by your own without any help from anyone, not even your bhaiya or didi or your papa or mama will help. You will do your own because I am teaching you what to do and how to do. So in the blank box, I know you will write the correct answer. Okay, my dear kids? Okay, now let's come to question number D. See, in question number D, also you have been given 2 digits addition. 15 plus 10 is equal to 10 plus 15. I told you the answer. So, am I supposed to tell you the answer? No. But ma'am is very caring, you know. Ma'am doesn't want that kids should take their parents' help. Instead, ma'am will help you. Okay? So, next time I'm not going to tell you. Okay? You will do by your own. So, this one I have already told. So, in E, question number E, you see a blank box is given. Plus 11 is equal to 11 plus 13. So what will you write? I know you know the number or the answer. So you'll write accordingly. Okay. I'm not going to tell you again. Did you know? Okay. Now in question number F, you have 20 plus dash is equal to 12 plus 20. So you write the answer by looking it carefully and think and write. Okay. Now this is practice session 2 was given. Now let me explain another example with 3 digits. See, here you have 3 single digits, 3 numbers which are being added. Here the first example is 4 plus 7 plus 8 is equal to 7 plus 8 plus dash. So what I have written here? See, I have written 4. Now in question number B, you have 19 plus box, a blank box, plus 14 is equal to 14 plus 19 plus 12. So what will you write in the blank box? It's already given. You have to write 12. Why? Because I am adding the 3 numbers in any order. It can be 3 numbers, it can be 4 numbers. Added in any order, the answer will always be the same. Now come to question number C. you have 10 plus 27 plus 34, which is equal to 27 plus a blank box plus 10. And in the blank box, I have written 34. So see, here in both the sides, the numbers had been arranged in different order. But if you add up the numbers, it will always come up with the same answer. Okay? So this was an example 3 with 3 numbers which have been added together. इसका मतलब है 3 नंबर्स को भी अगर हम उसके प्लेसेस को चेंज करके ऐड करते हैं तो भी आंसर सेम रहेगा. So you understood now, kids, my dear? Okay, now let's move on to the practice session of example 3. Here it is 7 plus 5 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 5 plus dash. In the dash, I'll not tell, you'll write your own. Okay? Now come to question number B. 5 plus 8 plus 3 is equal to dash plus 5 plus 3. So in the box, you will check out the numbers and you will write the answer. Now come to question number C. 3 plus 7 plus a blank box is equal to 7 plus 6 plus 3. So what will you write here? I know you know the answer. So please write the answer. Okay? Checking the numbers again. Slide before you, you have a practice session 3. In the practice session 3, now the digits are of 3 digits. That means 3 numbers you have to add up. So the first D, question number D is, the question given is 12 plus 15 plus 14 is equal to 15 plus 12 plus dash. So you have understood what you have to write in the place of dash. So do and write accordingly. Now come to question number E. Here the question is 13 plus dash plus 16 is equal to 16 plus 13 plus 24. So I hope you have to write the answer correctly and you can do it. So please write the correct answer. Now come to the last question, that is question number 5. So here you have 12 plus 18 plus 27, which is equal to means बराबर, मतलब समान. तो दोनों तरफ समान है. So now the answer is given as blank box plus 27 plus 12. So you can do it accordingly as you have done in the previous question. So this will be the correct answer you think and write. Okay, my dear children? Now let us move to the second property of addition. Before you write this property, you have already written in the notebook. If you have not written these two properties before in your notebook, please do write these two properties in the notebook first. Now the second property states, when 0 is added to a number or a number is added to 0, the sum is the number itself. What does this mean? This means, see in the example, you can understand it better. So in the example, the first is A, which is 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. So in the blank box, I've written 9. Why? Because if any number is added to 0, the answer is always that number. So 9 plus 0, 0 means nothing. So if I am adding 9 with any number which is 0, that means nothing. The answer will be 9. Now come to question number B, where it is written 0 plus dash is equal to 7. So 0 means again nothing. So nothing plus blank box is equal to 7. 7 is given in the answer. So if 7 is given in the answer, what will we write in the blank box? We will also write 7. Now you see the question again. 0 plus 7 is equal to 7. That means if 0 is added to any number 7, the answer is the number 7 itself. I hope you understood the property. Now come to the last question. See, 12 plus 0. 12 is a blank box. So a blank box plus 0 is equal to 12, which is given as answer. कभी कभी आपको ऐसा भी दे दिया जाएगा कि dash plus 0 is equal to the answer. आपको आंसर दे दिया जाएगा और आपको फिल इन में कौन सा नंबर ऐड करने से 0 के साथ वही नंबर आएगा, ये आपको लिखना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो दैट मीन्स 12 which is blank plus 0 is equal to answer which is given already. Now I hope you have understood the second property of addition. So now let us move to the practice session 1 on the based on the second property of addition. So question number A is 11 plus 0 is equal to dash. You understood? Next question B is dash plus 0 is equal to 8. So you have to write the answer. Think, watch and see again and then write the answer. Now come to question number C. 0 plus dash is equal to 23. So 0 plus what is equal to 23. So you will write accordingly without taking anyone's help. Don't ask for any help. You have to do it by your own. Because if you are in the school, I would have given it in the class, in the board, and there you do it alone. So at home, when you start doing maths, you have to do it by your own. Okay, children? Now come to question number D, which is 0 plus 6 is equal to dash. So you write accordingly. Any number plus 0 is the answer. Now come to question number E. Dash plus 0 is equal to 17. So in the blank box, I know you can write. Now come to question number F. 4 plus dash is equal to 4. That means 4 के साथ आप कितना ऐड करेंगे कि आंसर 4 आएगा. Suppose you have 4 pencils and you add nothing. So what will be the answer? 4. So nothing means what? Nothing means 0. So madam told you this answer, but next time I'm not going to tell you. All you have to do by your own. Now come to practice session 2. Here also the question A is blank box plus 0 is equal to 16. Question number B, 7 plus blank box is equal to 7. And question number C is 0 plus 10 is equal to blank box. So do the questions in your notebook neatly and clearly. An important instruction which I always tell in the class, please do your work neatly and clearly. आप साफ साफ करके लाइंस छोड़ छोड़ के लिखेंगे. ओके, जैसे मैंने एग्जाम्पल में दो लाइंस छोड़ छोड़ के एग्जाम्पल्स लिखे हैं, as I've written in the slide, so you will also do it neatly and clearly in the notebook. Now come to the second and the last slide, which is question number D. You see 0 plus 33 is equal to dash or the blank box. So you know the answer and you will write. Question number E, you see 27 plus blank box is given, which is equal to 27. The answer is given. In the question a number is given. You have to fill in with a blank box. Madam has already told, so this time she's not going to tell you again, or neither she is going to give you any hint. All you have to do it by yourself. And the last question is blank box plus 0 is equal to 5. So what you will write in the blank box, you know very well. Do it, my dear children. Neatly and clearly you will write it in the notebook. And please do it mentioning the date. आप date के साथ काम करेंगे. And be safe at home. Okay. And please do some extra activities apart from studies. आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. You can go for some meditation or exercise. I know some of the children who are doing morning in the early morning every day exercises. They are sending me snaps also. You can also send me pics. You have my number. If you don't have, I'll pass on my number to you. Please do send your pics. What else you are doing apart from studies in my WhatsApp number. I'll be very pleased to watch those pics. And I'm really missing you a lot, my dear kids. So be safe at home and listen to your parents. Okay? Then only ma'am will be very happy. So let me conclude my session and please do it. Thank you, my dear kids.